job. Right, hold the handle.
Oh, look at that big boy. This place is amazing. This is my favorite water park for the littles. Lawrence just rode the big kid slide. How do you feel? Yeah, was it fun? Did you want to do it again? Do you want to ride something else? You want to ride something else? All right, Esther, Grace, and I. We did it! Woo! Get it, Lawrence! Yay! Lawrence, look at this fun part. Oh, she remembered.
Lawrence, do you like this place?
Look at you. Oh, that looks like that'll hurt, but all right.
Okay, I'll go with you.
What does he want to do?
You want to do the same one for the race one? Loose articles can be carried
Daddy,
on.
what are we going to ride?
You're
We're going to ride
clear of
Are you so excited?
lower automatically.
Me too. Say yay, Zipline! Yay! Without grabbing my finger.
We're going up. Is this so much fun, Lawrence?
Oh my goodness, this is so exciting.
There you go. That's better.
Lawrence.
Yeah. Oh, wow. We're going so high. Oh, this is a cool zip line. Slash ski lift. Slash water park lift.
It is.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. I was going to kiss you, but I want to get lipstick on you.
Okay.
Look at Lawrence.
Look how high we're going. Flying high in the sky.
Flying high up in the... Lawrence, are we flying so high up in the sky?
Oh, that's where you come out from Summit Plummet. Okay.
Yep.
That's going to be so much fun. Lawrence, we're all going to get in a big tube and go on the coolest slide ever.
Yeah, I'm going that one.
That one? Oh, they won't let you go on that one. I'm scared to go on that one. Oh my. Well, maybe next time.
Maybe next time. gonna go through this really cool looking house. It's behind you. You want to do it again? Totally get it again. Esther, you gonna do the ice pads? Yeah. I'm gonna watch you do it.
Okay.
Lawrence, do you like these donuts?
Yeah.
You got this chocolate sauce. They're so good. It's our 12-year wedding anniversary.
Having fun.
Oh yeah. I'm just glad it's open.
Yeah.
I keep telling the kids, run, go. They will take it again. Push a weensy! Lawrence, push a weensy!
No, not pushing.
Are we going into a bear cave? Are you scared? Oh, so scared!
First we're going under a waterfall.
Oh! Fetal position! I don't like waterfalls on my head. Hey, look at you, Lauren! Lauren, did you see the bear cave? Esther Grace, do you see the bear cave? Hey, don't let the bear get you! Oh no, we're at the bear cave!
Oh, that's cool.
Oh! Pretty funny that was the bear's pee. Woo, go Lauren!
Come on, Esther.
Bye! Lawrence, look! It's a house.
Look, right, look. That's ice.
This is the house of an alligator. Trying to hold on to Lorraine and stay with everybody because they look so cute when you see their faces. Look, it's an ice skater. Did you hear him be sneezing? Go look. Lawrence, look at his house. Can you help paddle us?
Yeah. Oh, I sneezed on Lorraine.
Oh! I got all that on camera too.
Is that a real alligator?
Yeah, do you hear the alligator in there? Listen to him, he's got a cold.
Wait, actually a real alligator?
Yeah.
What?
What do you think?
It's fake?
So after a day of storms, we finally get to do this. And it is still thundering, so it could be rained out at any moment, but I'm really hopeful and excited, and they're playing Jimmy Buffett. Woohoo! This is really awesome. So excited! Esther Grace and I are about to go down the slide.